Kholwa wena kuqala. Kholelwa wena, not the person next to you. This is no time to do anything emzimbeni kaKristu for the sake yokuthi omunye umuntu. Hallelujah. Awukwazi ukukholela ukuthi omunye umuntu akubone. Awukwazi lesi sikhathi lesasivumi. Even when you worship, manima la phambi kwethu nihlabelela nidumisa uNkulunkulu, you can't be doing it for us. You can't be doing it for us. It has to be about you and God. This is a season for vertical worship. Indumisa zoya kuNkulunkulu. Right? Yes, we will receive because sikhona. God will make sure ukuthi umusikhonza la. Your worship must be unto the Lord, not unto your ability and your capability. No. What we do here, it is unto the Lord. Because it is God who rewards. It's God who rewards. When man bashaya lizandla, believe me bazalwane, sesiyitholile reward yethu. But when we go to him, when we say, "Oh, Father, God my Father, you are mighty, I magnify you, I give you praise, I honor you." When I give him that kind of praise, angenzeli mina, angenzeli ngisho ababhekile, but I'm doing it because it's relation. It's a relationship thing. It's a relationship thing. It's a relationship thing. It can't be helped. That is why kulula ukuthi ngikhohle ukuthi ngikhona, kodwa ngazi ukuthi ukhona. Oh Nkosi yami, ngoba noma abantu bangaphela emhlabeni, kungcono ukuwela ezandleni zikaNkulunkulu kunokuwela ezandleni zomuntu. When we worship him, when we honor him, when we give him praise, it's not for glory. It's not for our own honor, but it's for his honor. It's for his mighty name. It's for him alone. Lalela, uyena yedwa wenzile izulu nomhlaba. Uyena yedwa khulume izwi lakhe lehla lazohlala phakathi kwabantu. Uyena yedwa ozwi lakhe linguye isibindi. Uyena yedwa othi mesekhulumile izinto yishintshe. Uyena yedwa who is able to change every situation. Ufika izinto zibheke ngapha, ngezwe lilodwa yishintshe zibheke endaweni right. It's him alone. It's him alone. This is a relationship thing. It's a relationship thing. The devil cannot stop us. The devil cannot hinder us, because this is not about any man. This is not about anything on earth, but it's about everything between me and between my Father. Shandadabasa. That is why he will cause rivers of life to flow in our bellies, just to let us know, hey, I'm here. Hey, I've touched your life. Hey, take note, I've touched your life. Hey, take note, I've touched your life. Shandanana kanamasa. Zianana mashiando koliyamasa. Unana kolia masiano shana kanana na ya na koshana. Eya basha. O kanana na boshene kenia na ya kana masiano kolia mama basha. Eya babasha. Oh Lord, God my Father, we worship you, Lord. We worship you, Father. Shandelelelelele kanayana. Zinana na konia mashianosa. Sinana koshiana. Sinana koshiana. Sinana konia mana ya na koshia. Sinana konia mana ya na ya na. Maya na ya kana masha. Ula. Worship him in this place. Worship him at home. Worship him. Siana